Namaskar. Some people think that weight gain is because of eating too much or exercising less. But for many, the culprit hide deeper. Stubborn hormonal imbalances, stress that spikes cortisol, estrogen string causing bloating, or insulin resistance that blocks away fat. No matter how much you diet, if you have been eating healthy yet still feel puffy and tired, moody, or stuck on the same number on the scale, the problem might not be what you eat, but how your body's hormones are functioning. But what if I told you that by adding just 3 tiny seeds to your daily diet, if you balance, you can bring your hormones into balance. Switch your body into fat burning mode. So, let's look at these 3 powerful seeds and exactly how you can use them in your everyday meals. First, let's look at flaxseed. Think of flaxseed or C as a gentle reset button for your estrogen level. Their lignin plant compound that act like natural phytoestrogens help balance excess or deficit estrogen, a major factor in weight gain during PCOS, menopause, or irregular cycle. The omega-3 fat inside fights inflammation, making it easier for your body to shed fat and calm hormone-related symptoms. And because flax seeds are rich in fiber, they help you feel full longer, reducing those between meals cravings. The method to use flaxseed is slightly roast whole flaxseed, grind 1 tablespoon fresh and add it to your morning smoothie or buttermilk or even in your roti dough. You can also sprinkle it over a salad for a nutty crunch. Hemp seeds are the next seeds we will look at. While flax seeds balance your hormones, hemp seeds helps your body build. They are full of gamma-linolic acid, a healthy fat that supports progesterone functioning and reduces PMS discomfort. Their complete plant protein fuels your muscles, helping your metabolism burn hotter, and the magnesium content works quietly to curb sugar cravings, a big win for weight control. To use hemp seed, simply sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons raw hemp seeds over dal, upma, or salad. You can even blend them into chutneys or homemade dips for a creamy texture without dairy. The third power seed which we will discuss today are Nigella seeds, or called as kalonji. Nigella seeds are tiny, but their effect is mighty. They are rich in thymoquinone, which improves insulin sensitivity and helps your body handle carbs more efficiently. Means less fat storage. Their anti-inflammatory power also calms cortisol, that stress hormone which pushes belly fat to stick around. The correct method to use them is mix half teaspoon powdered kalonji in warm water with lemon first thing in the morning. Or for more subtle addition, add whole seed to roti dough, curry, or pickles. They will infuse your food with peppery, slightly onion-like aroma. Seeds may be small, but when it comes to weight loss and hormone balance, they work like precision tools, each targeting a specific hormonal pathway that affects fat storage, moods, and energy. They are affordable, easy to store, and slip into Indian meal without needing major diet changes. Try adding these 3 seeds into your daily routine for just few weeks and notice how your energy steadies, cravings ease, and your body start working with you instead of working against you. Namaskar.